Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is a 12 by 16 inch canvas and some wet paint by 2, gallery wrapped. It's well and truly dry. It's got Mayan Gold on it, several coats. Looks like it had a coat of red on it to begin with, but that doesn't hurt anything. I did a geometric earlier, and I don't promise everything will be geometric, but I had an awful lot of fun with the colors I've got out here, so I'm going to use them again. And I thought it was a good idea in my case to start with, wow, that's plugged now. Start with lighter colors. It's open now. And this time I'm going to go around. That was sour lemon with a little bit of vivid intense orange in it. That is a frosted berry. This is orange crush. Here is some jasmine, which is a primary element. This is a Prizm Pour. This is wild orchid. Ooh, and that's pretty. Wow. I didn't do things all at once last time, but I'm kind of inclined to try and modify what I did last time to include more action after I put down some colors. That was the Midnight Shadow Prizm Pour. This is Mystique. Mystique is a primary element, and that reminds me, I have another lighter color. I was trying to copy the Mystique because I was running out, and I have a frosted, which is a Prizm Pour, and then I have the Cobalt Aqua from the Vivid Intense. This is Fandango. And that might be a good place to start, with the possible exception of me deciding to use some of this. Cool, I wanted something a lot lighter. I miss my squeeze bottles when I don't have them. I'm going to wipe that off so it doesn't dry sticky or dry on. Now, I didn't use any of that ginger peach last time, and I'm not sure I should, but I'm going to try it anyway. This is a primary element. Ooh, I might like that a lot. I'm probably going to be using a whole lot more of the wild orchid and the jasmine. Now, I'm not using cell activator, and I really could. I really could, but I'm not. Alright, I said I wanted more jasmine, and I want it now. And no foreign objects, please. Also, I used Chantilly lace the end last time. It looks like I'm glad. Here we go. Whatever it was, it's on my finger. Wipe it off my hands. I also have my tongue depressors handy in little pieces. So let's just do this. Play with some colors. If I can. If I've managed to keep my bottles out of the way well enough. Dog walking 30. The boys have got to have something to say about that. I think I'm going to wind up wiping my card off pretty quick. At least they're better than the neighbor's poodle. I don't know where it's going, but I'm having fun doing it, so I'm all set. And I could leave some of the lines behind, I think. But the colors are just so pretty. Almost takes my breath away. The colors are so gorgeous. I used the wrong side of my card, which means I have more color choices. That's pretty much it. And sometimes I push paint instead of pulling it. And I'm not going to mind if I have any gold left behind. It's not going to be a problem. I am going to have to wipe off my card though. I tend to want to use the same card for a while, but that does not mean that that's necessary. But I do like these canvases that are already painted and smooth and shiny. And I do like picking up paint from one place and putting it down in another. And I hope it's going to work. And also, if you saw the last video, I don't know which one's going to come first, so there's no guarantees. I like to pick up paint with my card as well as putting it down. And I love changing up the colors. I always get a beautiful blue from turquoise and pink. I like the purple with the turquoise too. I really want to do something with that right there, but I don't want to change the color. So I'll wipe that off. Good. Now I need to be cautious because the green and the orange are not something I want to mix. I can definitely get away with it with the yellow though. Picking it up and putting it down and hoping I'm not blocking your whole vision. I wonder if I put down enough paint to do the whole thing. I haven't put any down since I started. Well, that was a mistake. Don't do that. I think I can make it okay, but it might even make it better, you never know. Take some of this yellow. Move it over there. Reminds me of city, you know, like a drone shot of a city from above, even though the colors are. It's going to be a patchwork, that's for sure. Just the one card, that's amazing. I could kind of leave a gap at the top if I was of a mind to. I still want to go back through and probably use the Toothy tool. I might want a little more green. I might want a little more of those two turquoises together. Hey, look, I've got some. So I'm using my puddles. And they're working out nicely. Maybe a little more wild orchid over there. Kind of feeling the Fandango might be also. If I didn't hide it on myself. It's right in front of me. Oh, you silly woman. I have another really nice color. Might be nice in there. Nice being a nice redundancy. Yeah, I think I'm going to like that. I have yet to add the texture, but I don't want to use that. I don't want to change that yellow. I do want some more of that turquoise, so let me get out. Maybe I can dip my card in if I wipe it off and make it clean. I just should be willing to use some of my other cards. I know that. I'm being called to some of the Midnight Shadow again. Yep, that's where I wanted it too. It's almost time for it to add some texture. Things are somewhat balanced. I'm not sure they're perfectly balanced yet. I kind of want to take one of my little pieces of tongue depressor. See what will happen. Kind of like that. Yeah, kind of like that a lot. If I had more paint in a palette, it would make it a lot easier to do though. But it's not a bad color to be the one that I have. It sort of adds some texture and some dimension all at once. And if I really wanted something else, I could do it. What have I got in the way now? There we go. It's always something. I'm really liking the lines, just wherever they seem to feel good. But I do keep thinking about the Midnight Shadow as becoming one. That or the Chantilly lace also. It's coming along. The nice thing about the tongue depressor is I could do a whole bunch of that tomorrow if I wanted to, if I felt the need. I think I'm just going to keep doing this until I feel like I'm close to being happy or satisfied at least. And I'm getting there. I'm getting really close. I didn't use my Toothy tool, but I still could. Let's give it a shot. Let's wipe it off first from the last time. Oh, the last time dried on. Yep. For that, I like to bring my cloth over so I can wipe it off. Pretty cool. Whoa, I thought I knocked over my paint. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork. I am contactable. Oh, I see something I need to fix. There's a big puddle right there. Probably could have left the gold corner, but I don't mind not doing it either. So just go back to, because everywhere that I put the Toothy tool down creates a highlight. And you don't have to do big strokes, you can do little ones. Little ones are kind of cool. They look like windows. Windows in my city. I like it. I see another place I need to fix. The only reason I say I need to fix it is because unless it's thin enough, the Toothy tool will fill back in. There, I think that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy. I might even say I'm excited by the possibilities. I like using the Toothy tool in combination with the tongue depressor, in combination with a swipe card, in combination with a dry canvas. So I'm going to quick pop that bubble, hit this very quickly. There's another one. Very quickly. Make sure they're all done. The places the paint is heavy, it will be drying just fine because I use GAC 800 by Golden in all my paint mixtures. When that timer goes off in a moment, I won't have much time left. I'll have a minute. Tell you guys I love you. You inspire the heck out of me. Please give me a thumbs up. You can leave me comments. Oh, the gold background is fabulous. Let's get right down there. It's every bit as good as the Crimson Lust was in the last painting I did that was similar. That was a 12 by 12. Look at that. Beautiful colors. Some of my favorite colors. All right. So please like and share my videos, and when you watch them longer, you help me out. Your comments are an assistance on more than one level because you keep my morale boosted, as well as affecting my YouTube standing. Oh, what can I tell you? Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are all on my link tree, and look for the Colourarte coupon code. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so you help me when you shop Colourarte, but you help yourself more. I can guarantee you'll like Colourarte products. They're awesome. And if you ever need any help with them, I'm your girl. Actually, there's quite a few of us affiliates. So somebody will know exactly what you want to do. I have an Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no what it costs you. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube, and they're still relevant. My community board's going to show you tomorrow's video I post at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have questions or comments, I'm open to receiving them and happy to get back to you if I can. If I've forgotten something, it's the fact that Society 6 and The Gallerist are both got new designs, and they're on my link tree along with my brand new website, which is under construction, and I'd love some feedback on that. So